How are you guys? Alright, hey man, you don't have a brake light, dude.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Shoot.
So.
Can I pick one up at Walmart then, I guess?
Yeah, man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, no worries, dude. Okay. Hey, did you get your license on you?
No, I don't.
What's your name?
Dustin.
Dustin what?
Lee Jordan.
Alright, you tell me your real name?
Yeah,
Right.
for sure.
You look a little worried, man. I mean, are you nervous? You got a warrant?
No, I don't.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
No.
No? Okay. Nicholas Reyes. What's your name? Dustin what?
Dustin Lee Jordan.
Dustin Lee Jordan. Who's that back here? Is that Vernon? Vernon May.
What up, brother?
And Vernon May.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you guys? We good? We straight? Going to some Mickey D's or what?
Yeah, we just got
It's not mix. Oh man. Bet you wish it was, huh? Oh, you can go back to some.
Okay.
Okay, so do we have insurance on this house, bud?
Should.
You should?
It's my sister's car.
Okay.
I was just coming to get a couple gas dollars to run something to Walmart.
Okay. You still on probation, bro?
Yeah.
All right. I'll take another car. I'll be 10-6 beautiful, sir.
This car might be in here.
You don't have the car in here?
The card?
The card? All right. Is there insurance on this vehicle at all, though?
There should be, yeah.
Okay, there should be, or?
Yeah,
okay, whose vehicle is this?
Shania Marie Smith.
What?
Shania.
Shania?
Marie Smith.
Marie Smith?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Cover that. This is what's it for? How we doing, Vernon?
Alright. How you doing?
I'm good. Alright. You got a warrant for you, bub?
Huh?
You got a warrant for you?
I got a warrant?
Yeah.
As far as I know, me and my bondsman, we took care of that.
Took care of that?
Yeah.
Okay, well, is that confirmed?
Yeah, can you call him real quick?
Yeah. Well, we're confirming right now.
I can call him too.
Cover that. I'll be 10, 15 minutes. Alright, man. Come on. You got a warrant.
I got a warrant. I got a warrant for Myron.
Yep. Keep your hands up. No.
Can I grab my food though? I didn't buy it.
Come on. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Hands behind my back? Like what?
Hands behind your back.
Like what, man?
Hands behind your back. Let it go, baby. Let it go. Let it go. Like a pickle. Let it go. Let it go. 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 That's it. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Hands up!
Don't move.
Can you see his hands? Yeah, right there. Right there. He's doing it.
Keep your hands up.
I got it. I got it. I got it. You good? You good?
I'm good.
Get him out. I'm gonna get Ethan's out.
Give me yours.
Give me Ethan. Come back here.
All I got is a brazen bead on my.
That's fine. Get him out. Get him out of the car. No, no, not him. Head forward, Tammy. Send EMS.